Pinpoint weather and traffic together as we approach 5:50 on your Tuesday morning. Michelle joining us now with the details. It's going to be another hot and humid one, huh, Michelle?
And probably even hotter than what we saw yesterday when we hit a high of 93. We're keeping an eye on the record high temperature today, which is 97, set in 1999 and again in 1977 degrees. The year 1977. I think we'll be probably maybe a degree or two shy of that record, but it's going to be close. We're already starting off at 73 degrees in Providence, 70 in Smithfield, 71 Westerly, about 69 right now in Newport. Heat advisory issued for today for the areas in orange here. Notice it doesn't include the East Bay or the south coast of Massachusetts. It's from 1 to 7 though, and most areas, and I think even parts of the East Bay, will see a heat index approaching 100 to 103 degrees. And that's why that heat advisory has been issued. It's just to sort of raise the awareness level that heat illnesses can develop more quickly in this sort of heat. It's the temperature and the humidity that gives us the heat index, and again about 100 to 103 degrees where that feels like temp. The East Bay and the South Coast not included in that advisory right now because of the wind direction, which will be out of the southwest. That sea breeze should keep the coast a little cooler, but it's also going to pump in high ground level ozone concentrations for our coastal communities, basically Providence and points south today under the air quality alert. That means RIPTA rides are going to be free all across the state of Rhode Island. And talking about the state of Rhode Island and southeastern Mass, we're quiet this morning. None of those isolated showers and thunderstorms that we saw late yesterday afternoon. I don't have any in the forecast for today. I think we'll stay dry, but very warm and very muggy. And in fact, it's a hazy start in Providence at 73. Dew points up in the upper 60s. West wind at about 6 miles an hour. Temperatures should warm quickly with that hazy sun this morning. 84 at 9 a.m., about 89 by 11 o'clock in the morning. And then those afternoon temperatures, they're going to be all the way up into the mid-90s. Pawtucket, downtown, east side at about 94. Rumford at 94. Barrington should be in the mid-90s, as well as Garden City about 96 degrees. While TF Green, where our records are kept, I'm forecasting highs there 2 degrees shy of the record at about 95. Along the south coast, upper 80s, Charlestown, Newport's at 87, a good place to go for a little relief from the heat. Wickford at 92, Coventry in the mid-90s. Northern Rhode Island, I think mid to maybe even some upper 90s up here. Extreme heat, humid, breezy conditions. Hazy, hot, and humid in southeastern Mass. New Bedford around 93 and similar for Fall River. Beaches should be in the 80s today for your air temp. Water temperature around 73 and a safe sun time of about 15 minutes. On the bay, visibility 5 to 8 miles in the haze. West-southwest winds, a little breezy at times, 10 to 20 knots. High tide 7:17 this morning and a low tide 12:30 in the afternoon. We've got another hot day tomorrow, but it's going to be finished off with some showers and thunderstorms as a cold front moves through. Some of those storms may be strong or severe. We'll have to watch the situation.